Greetings to all of you. Welcome to Syntax Error News.
Today we are here to talk about the career caravan that happened at Batasan Hills National High School.
Okay, let's talk about what happened there.
Last Friday morning, September 16, 2016, six different schools came to Batasan Hills National High School to encourage grade 10 students to attend or enroll to their universities.
These six universities are ICCT, ABE, CEU, Diliman College, TIP, and ABE.
Exactly. You know what, Lester? According to my survey, 20% of STS students will try to enroll to CEU or Central Escolar University, while others will take entrance exam from different schools.
And based on the information I gathered, most of the grade 10 students of Batasan Hills National High School will take ABE or TIP.
Exactly. You know what, Lester? The students will really need to choose wise on what school or university they're going to take for their senior high school.
I agree, Golda. Students should really know what their talents and skills are to know what track they're going to take.
And that's all for today's news. I'm Golden Marie Pare.
I'm John Dexter Garabia, reporting in Syntax Error News.